And tonight we get to hear from one of the now 140 customers who might have been exposed to COVID-19 at the Great Clips on South Glenstone. Our David Chazanob spoke to Machelle Warren, who reached out to us last night. David, how is she handling this news?
Well, Jesse, at first she was panicking and now she's okay. She got a haircut at that location on May 17th around 3:45. And around that same time, a hairstylist was working there while showing symptoms of the virus. On that day, Warren says employees were being careful, including the stylist who did her hair.
Before they even had me sit down, they washed their hands, re-gloved, got a fresh apron.
Fast forward to yesterday, when the health department gave her a call.
They told me I had come into direct contact with somebody who tested positive for COVID-19. Before I could even think about it, I kind of just shouted, "What?"
Warren was told to quarantine for 14 days. A day after she received some stressful news, she reflects on what happened.
I'm also kind of conflicted because I've heard that people with COVID-19 can present without a fever, and that sometimes it can be as mild as like a cold. If that were the case with this person, I completely understand.
To the owner of the Great Clips who wants to remain anonymous, that was the case. The individual says she has her release order from urgent care. The employee wasn't told to quarantine by doctors. She was not aware she was COVID-19 positive nor a risk.
I hope that stylist is okay. I can't imagine it's easy mentally right now because they didn't know any better. They were just doing what they were told.
The owner tells us, quote, "We are saddened the way the wording of hairstylist worked sick for 8 days was used like it was deliberate, which it was not. We followed all required guidelines to keep staff and customers safe." The health department responded to that comment, saying, "The stylist reported having symptoms of COVID-19 during the 8 days of work disclosed. As we have said throughout this pandemic, people who are sick should stay home. We do not make potential public exposure notifications to blame, only to warn." Since the announcement, the owner says they have received violent threats. The health department condemns this, saying, "We would in no way ever condone violence against anyone. This goes against the vision and the guiding light of our department, to help people live longer, healthier, happier lives. We are dismayed to hear that the staff of this business feel threatened and would encourage anyone concerned to contact law enforcement." Warren says her roommates went to that Great Clips location on May 15th around 3 o'clock. They haven't been contacted by the health department.
We'll follow that story. Thanks, David. The health